So class, now we will move on to our next topic, that is rotational symmetry. In this we will study about the rotation of a particular figure. A figure is said to have rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself more than once during complete rotation. एक फिगर जो है वो रोटेशनल सिमेट्री कब पोजेस करेगी? अगर हम उस फिगर को रोटेट इस तरह से करते हैं ताकि वो एक कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन करने के बाद ओरिजिनल फिगर के साथ ओवरलैप यानी कोइंसाइड हो जाए, देन इट इज़ सेड टू हैव रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. क्लियर? और जितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स ए फिगर फिट्स ऑन टू इटसेल्फ इन वन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन इज़ नोन एज रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. अगर जितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, कितनी बार घुमाने पे वो फिगर कम्प्लीटली ओरिजिनल फिगर में ओवरलैप हो जाती है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. नाउ वी विल सी सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ rotation symmetry. Consider an equilateral triangle. Here I have considered an equilateral triangle. Figure 1, C, ABC, A, B and C. Equilateral triangle consider किया, and we know that in equilateral triangle each angle is of 60 degree and all the sides are equal. So equilateral triangle is first rotated through 120 degree. We have rotated this. This is the original form. Here from first figure to second figure we have made a rotation of 120 degree. Therefore the C point will reach here, A point will reach here and B point will reach here. After that we have again rotated the figure through 240 degree. That means further we have from figure 2 to figure 3 we have made a rotation of how many degree? 120 degree. Then C point will come here, B point will be here and A point will be here. After that again we have made a rotation of 120 degree. So finally what we get? A will be moved over here, B will be moved over here and C will be moved over here. Now see figure 4 and figure 1. A is at the same point where the original figure is, B is at the same point where the original figure is, and C is in the same point where the original figure is. So if I talked about what is the order of rotational symmetry in case of equilateral triangle, you will say 3, because after rotating 3 times, first, second and third, you will get original figure. Similarly, now we have considered an example with square. A square is rotated through 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree to get the original figure. Consider the square ABCD. Here I have rotated ABCD with 90 degree first. Then A point will move here, B point will move here, C point will move here and D point will move here. After that further 180 degree rotation is made. 180 degree rotation is made. So what we get? C point will be here, D point is here, A point is here and B point is here, and similar are the further cases. At the last you will get the original figure. So in how many figures square is getting its original figure? After 4 rotation, first, second, third and fourth, you will get original square. So order of rotational symmetry in case of square is 4. Now consider about the rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. And what about rotational symmetry? When a rectangle is rotated about 180 and 360 degree, then we get the original rectangle. So rectangle has what is the order of symmetry in case of rectangle? It is 2. So based on that, you have to complete exercise 18b. Kindly go through the video and try to understand the concept of rotational and reflection symmetry. I have given you homework. Kindly complete it within the given time and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. This is the completion of your first term syllabus. Thank you very much.